Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the progressive scanning frame rate on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, or this red camera section. Select image quality / recording and scroll down to movie settings. And here in movie settings we will have the recording frame rate option. And here you can change the progressive scanning of your recordings. So 25p, 50p and 100p are the options that are available. And just select the option that suits you. And once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.